Hello there, in this video we'll take this match 3 game to the next level. It already looks and feels amazing, but there's one thing missing: background music. So today we'll use a tool that lets us quickly generate background music for our Godot games. We'll create the track, download it and then import it into Godot. A complete workflow from start to finish. Let's get started. As you can see, high quality, copyright free, and super intuitive and easy to use. Although it is primarily an online tool, it is also available on Windows, Mac and Google Play with an iOS version coming soon. So I'm gonna click on start creating, and it's very amazing the number of tools that they have. Specifically, I'm gonna be using the AI music generator. That basically allows me to type whatever I want and the AI will create that specific track. So here's the prompt I'm gonna be using. Also over here you can select the model. In this case I will just go with V3.5, that works very well. You can also select a mood. So in this case it's gonna be relaxing, but you can even select more. You can give it a name, for example, chill match 3, and here, okay, I'm gonna make sure that instrumental is on. Usually in games, unless it is a cinematic or anything like that, you don't really have vocals. The track only tends to have instruments. That's why I have enabled this. Then let's click on create, and as you can see, the generation will start over here. Or also, okay, what we could have used is the background music generation feature, but as you can see, it's mostly the exact same thing. But at least for me, this seemed more for like a specific scene that you wanna describe and that you specifically wanna add music to it, as what I need is just a chill music for the background of the game. I didn't think it was actually worth using this specific tool, but then we can actually do a test to compare it. So as you can see here, we have lots of options. And now let me do the exact same thing, but using the background music generator. So in this case, atmosphere, let's select, for example, chill. And I will also click on relaxing, calm. I even have more, for example, cozy, peaceful. Okay, I can select up to 3, so I think these are the best ones. Instruments, I can also modify them. So let's say, for example, piano and guitar. And the name is gonna be chill match 3. Second version, and the tempo, let's make it medium in this case, and let's click on create. While this is getting generated, I wanted to show you some more tools that you can find. For instance, the lyrics to music option, so you can basically grab your lyrics and turn it into a complete song. You also have over here the AI lyrics generator that allows you to easily write your lyrics, or you even have the music video generator, which can also be useful in some contexts. So let's actually check this out. This is the first one. It's pretty cool, and what I like is that I actually selected, remember, the guitar as one of the instruments, and it's very like present in the music, so that's pretty cool. So this is the one I like the most, so I'm gonna click over here, download, and I wanna download the MP3. Here I have the file, so let me actually rename it and call it something like background music. I'm gonna cut it, okay, and put it inside my project exactly here. And how to use it is actually very simple. I will go to the main scene and I want to add a new audio stream player, which I'm gonna call music. And over here on stream, I will just select quick load and load in the background music I've just downloaded. I will enable autoplay so that it starts playing as soon as the game starts. And I will also double click on this MP3 and enable loop, so that when it finishes, it starts over again. Then click re-import. And well, this is the final result. I'm gonna modify the volume a little bit because I think that I can't hear a lot the sound effects. These are the plans they offer, and you can either pay monthly, yearly, or they even have one-time plans. Something that is very cool is the fact that if you use the code LETA20, you'll get 20% off when purchasing the product. I believe that the current pricing is very affordable, and pricing may change when new features are added. This is all for today's video, so see you in the next one.